Hi, welcome to your first tutorial from Miss Davies. The first thing we're going to be looking at is making sure you have the Wacom driver installed. So just do a quick search here. If you don't have it, if you don't have this Wacom Desktop Center, it means that you need to install it. So back inside Google, just type in Wacom driver for Mac. And then you need to probably click on the first link that comes up, wacom.com. And then in the next window, Wacom's going to ask you whether you want Windows or Mac. Obviously you're Mac, so click download. I'm not going to click download because I already have it. So yeah, follow the instructions from Wacom. When you're done, you will get this Wacom Desktop Center logo in your dock icon. So make sure you click on that, and we're going to go inside the settings and we're going to make sure our pen is ready to go. So our device, the name of our device is the Wacom Intuos PTS. So click over here on the pen settings and then you'll get a screen that looks like this. We're working in Illustrator, so click up in Illustrator and just make sure that your settings look just like mine. This is clicked, this is disabled. I like the tip feel up to firm, but you could experiment and then pick up your Wacom pen like I'm about to now, and then you can actually test the pressure. So click anywhere, and you can see how it feels to apply the pressure and how it feels to draw a little bit. Some of you may have done this before, so anyway, sorry if you have. So ready to go. So basically that is the end of getting our Wacom driver installed, getting our pen settings ready to go. Next we are ready to open up Illustrator and getting the pen settings ready in there so we can practice our brush lettering. Woohoo!